Hey YouTube, Kid Kakuda. Let's do a short little video on that multi-tool I found in the junkyard the other day. It turns out to be a Winchester multi-tool, and it looks like to be in pretty good condition. I do see that there's a screw missing on it, and but none of the tools are broken on it. The blades are good. And it's got an alloy body. It's all metal, so there's no plastic on it. Maybe these grits on it might be plastic, but they also might be the actual aluminum engraved. I really don't know. It says stainless up here on the fire part with the cutter, and then you got this sharp blade right here, kind of like a little awl kind of looking blade. Got a couple of screwdrivers, screwdriver over here, screwdriver right there, kind of square looking one right there, just square. Can openers, Phillips screwdriver, another kind of little screwdriver, thick looking thing, a saw, and the saw got a measuring on it. Spin it around. Got a little ruler on it. It's pretty cool find. Junkyard find. Kid Kakuda signing out. Thanks for watching. So Winchester multi-tool.